The soil you rely on is dead. For the last 80 years, the modern agricultural machine has scorched the earth. They have drenched the soil in glyphosate, atrazine, and synthetic petroleum-based fertilizers. When you buy medicinal herbs from the grocery store today, you are buying weak, irradiated, chemical-soaked plants grown in toxic dirt. They look alive, but cellularly, they are entirely dead. But you do not need their poisoned dirt to build your apothecary. In Jeremiah 17, the prophet revealed the ultimate blueprint for resilience. He will be like a tree planted by the water that sends out its roots by the stream. Today, we are bypassing the corrupt food grid entirely. We are uncovering 10 ancient scriptural herbs that possess the biochemical power to reverse chronic disease, and you can grow every single one of them indoors, 365 days a year, using nothing but a glass of water. Pay extremely close attention to plant number 4, because the pharmaceutical industry hopes you never discover how it pulls toxic heavy metals right out of your brain tissue. And whatever you do, do not skip plant number 10. It contains a compound so powerful at protecting human DNA, the medical establishment is desperately trying to synthesize it into a patentable drug. Let's begin. When your joints ache, your gut burns, and your brain is engulfed in fog, the modern medical system hands you a plastic bottle. They demand you pay premium prices for synthetic extracts and dead powdered supplements that have been sitting on a warehouse shelf for 3 years. They want you dependent on their supply chain. But true medicine is alive. It is active. You do not need a greenhouse. You do not need acres of land. By harnessing the ancient method of water propagation, you can command these 10 medicinal powerhouses to grow roots directly on your kitchen counter. You are about to build an endless, living, breathing immune shield that Big Pharma cannot tax, cannot patent, and cannot take away from you. Number 1. Peppermint. In Luke 11:42, Jesus confronts the religious elites for their blinding hypocrisy, noting that they were obsessively focused on tithing even the smallest, most valuable garden herbs. You give 1/10 of your mint, rue, and all other kinds of garden herbs, but you neglect justice. Mint was a currency of health. The leaves of the peppermint plant contain an incredibly dense concentration of volatile oils, specifically menthol and rosmarinic acid. When you consume these raw, living oils, they travel directly into your intestinal tract and act as vicious antispasmodics. They literally paralyze the violent smooth muscle spasms that cause the agonizing cramps of irritable bowel syndrome and chronic bloating. Look at the modern medical alternative. Gastroenterologists refuse to heal your gut. Instead, they prescribe proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, that permanently shut off your stomach acid. They force your food to rot inside your stomach, breeding dangerous bacteria just to temporarily numb your heartburn. The protocol. Buy 1 fresh bundle of organic peppermint. Snip a 4-inch stem just below the leaf node. Strip the bottom leaves and drop the stem into a glass of fresh water. Within 7 days, white roots will explode into the water. Pluck 3 fresh leaves every single morning, crush them in your hands, and steep them in hot water to bulletproof your digestive tract. Number 2. Wild oregano. In Leviticus chapter 14, God provides Moses with the exact ritual for cleansing a home and a body from severe infectious disease, leprosy. The primary biological tool used in this purification was hyssop, an ancient potent herb belonging to the exact same botanical family as wild oregano. This plant is nature's apex predator against infection. Living oregano leaves contain a devastatingly powerful phenol called carvacrol. Under a microscope, carvacrol is a battering ram. It physically breaches the cell walls of dangerous pathogens like E. coli, candida, and staph infections, causing the bacteria to literally leak to death. When you get an infection today, doctors carpet bomb your biology with broad-spectrum synthetic antibiotics. They nuke the bad bacteria, but they completely incinerate your healthy microbiome in the process, leaving your immune system shattered and vulnerable to autoimmune disease for years. The protocol. Take a cutting of fresh oregano, remove the lower leaves, and submerge the stem in a mason jar of water. Place it in a sunny window. When you feel the very first tickle of a sore throat, do not wait. Pluck 2 raw leaves, chew them thoroughly, and swallow the bitter burning oil. It will stop the infection in its tracks. Number 3. Rosemary. The ancient world deeply understood that God provided medicine from the earth. In Ecclesiasticus 38:4, the wisdom literature declares, "The Lord has created medicines out of the earth, and a sensible man will not refuse them." Rosemary was the ancient world's ultimate shield against cognitive decay. Modern neurology has finally caught up. Living rosemary contains an incredibly rare compound called carnosic acid. This compound is one of the few natural substances on Earth that can easily cross the blood-brain barrier. Once inside your brain, it neutralizes free radicals and stimulates nerve growth factor, literally commanding your brain to grow new neural pathways and repair decaying tissue. What does modern psychiatry offer for cognitive decline? Donepezil, a chemical drug that forces artificial neurotransmitter retention, bringing a tidal wave of side effects, including severe nausea, muscle cramps, and dangerous heart arrhythmias. The protocol: strip the bottom 2 inches of a woody rosemary stem. Submerge it in a glass of water, ensuring no leaves touch the water to prevent rot. Roots will form in a few weeks. Every morning, run your fingers up the living stem and inhale the essential oils deeply. The mere scent of raw rosemary has been clinically proven to increase memory retention by up to 75%. Number 4. Coriander, also known as cilantro. In Exodus 16:31, when God rained miraculous bread from heaven to sustain the Israelites in the scorched desert, the Bible describes the life-saving manna with a specific visual. It was white like coriander seed. The leaf of the coriander plant cilantro is a cellular miracle. Its living leaves contain an essential compound called linalool. In clinical pharmacology, this compound operates as a biological magnet. It is a natural chelator. It actively binds to toxic heavy metals, specifically lead, mercury, and aluminum, that are embedded deep inside your brain and nerve tissue, pulling them out and carrying them safely through your digestive tract. The modern world is constantly poisoning you with heavy metals. They are in your tap water, your antiperspirant deodorants, and your non-stick cookware. The modern wellness industry tries to sell you synthetic, laboratory-made chelation therapies that cost thousands of dollars and strip your body of essential minerals. The protocol: cilantro grows aggressively in water. Suspend a handful of thick stems in a jar of fresh water. Pluck and consume a 1/4 cup of the raw green leaves every single day. Let God's natural sponge pull the neurotoxins out of your tissues. Number 5. Sage. Proverbs 20:29 declares, "The glory of young men is their strength, gray hair the splendor of the old." In the ancient botanical world, sage was the absolute symbol of graceful aging, wisdom, and biological preservation. Today, cellular biologists know exactly why. Sage is packed with ursolic acid and rosmarinic acid. These compounds are ruthless defenders against a process called lipid peroxidation. In simple terms, they stop your cells from rusting. They preserve the structural integrity of your cell membranes, dramatically slowing the physical decay of your skin, your organs, and your bones. Look at the modern anti-aging industry. It is a toxic farce. They convince you to inject botulism toxin Botox directly into your facial nerves to artificially paralyze your muscles while your internal cells continue to rot and decay. They sell you an illusion of youth while poisoning your nervous system. The protocol: take a fresh, soft wood cutting of sage. Place it in a shallow glass of water on your windowsill. Once it roots, pluck 3 leaves and drop them into a boiling pot of bone broth. The fats in the broth will extract the ursolic acid, creating an elite anti-aging elixir. Stop right there. Look around your kitchen. How much of your current health protocol relies on dead powders, plastic bottles, and grocery store produce that was sprayed with pesticides and shipped from 3,000 miles away? I need you to answer this right now in the comments. Which of these first 5 living herbs are you going to put in a glass of water today? Is it the mint for your gut or the cilantro to pull the metals out of your brain? Tell me in the comments below. Commit to taking your independence back. Now, let's get to the plant that literally repairs human DNA. Number 6. Parsley. In Exodus 12:8, on the night of the Passover, the Israelites were commanded to eat the roasted lamb with unleavened bread and bitter herbs. Parsley is one of the original, ancient bitter herbs. Your kidneys and liver are the chemical filters for your entire body. When they fail, you die. Living parsley is loaded with two highly active biochemicals, apigenin and myristicin. When you chew raw parsley, these compounds trigger a massive surge in glutathione production inside your liver. They act as a hyper-efficient diuretic, violently flushing stagnant uric acid and toxins right out of your kidneys. Modern medicine does not know how to purify your blood. When your kidneys begin to fail from a modern processed diet, they put you on synthetic diuretics that aggressively crash your potassium levels, causing severe heart palpitations. Eventually, they strap you to a dialysis machine. The protocol: do not use parsley as a useless garnish. Put a fresh bunch of stems in a glass of water. Keep it on your counter. After your heaviest meal of the day, pluck a handful of the raw living leaves and chew them aggressively. Let the bitter oils purify your blood. Number 7. Thyme. In Psalm 141:2, King David writes, "Let my prayer be set forth before you as incense." In the ancient world, burning specific herbs, like thyme, was used not just for spiritual incense, but to literally purify the air of sick rooms and temples. The essential oil trapped inside living thyme leaves is called thymol. Thymol is a devastatingly potent bronchial antispasmodic. When it enters your respiratory tract, it physically thins out hardened, toxic mucus deep in your lungs and violently attacks the viral and fungal pathogens that cause chronic bronchitis and lingering coughs. Look at the pharmaceutical alternative. They sell you neon-colored, synthetic cough syrups heavily laced with dextromethorphan. This chemical does absolutely nothing to heal your lungs. It simply crosses your blood-brain barrier and disables the neurological signal that tells your body to cough. The toxic mucus stays trapped in your chest. The protocol: snip a long stem of fresh thyme and let it root in a shallow glass of water. When you have a chest cold, do not reach for the syrup. Pluck a handful of leaves, place them in a bowl, pour boiling water over them, drape a towel over your head, and inhale the thymol-rich steam for 10 minutes. Number 8. Lemon balm. Proverbs 12:25 gives us a profound physiological truth. Anxiety weighs down the heart, but a kind word cheers it up. For thousands of years, the ancient Hebrews and early botanists used the melissa plant, lemon balm, as the gladdening herb to physically calm a racing heart and terrified mind. Science has uncovered its secret. Living lemon balm contains high levels of rosmarinic acid, which specifically targets an enzyme in your brain called GABA transaminase. By inhibiting this enzyme, lemon balm naturally floods your brain with GABA, the exact neurotransmitter responsible for shutting down panic, halting cortisol production, and inducing deep physiological peace. What does modern psychiatry do to a panicked mind? They prescribe benzodiazepines, Xanax, Valium, highly addictive synthetic narcotics that cause severe chemical dependency, brain shrinkage, and early-onset dementia. They chemically lobotomize the anxiety. The protocol: lemon balm is one of the fastest rooters in water. Keep a jar on your nightstand. When chronic stress hits, crush 5 fresh leaves in your palms to release the oils. Drop them into a glass of cool water and drink it. It will shut down a panic attack in minutes. Number 9. Sprouted garlic shoots. In Numbers 11:5, as the Israelites wandered the barren wilderness, they wept for the powerful, healing foods they had left behind. We remember the fish we ate in Egypt at no cost, also the cucumbers, melons, leeks, onions, and garlic. Garlic was the cardiovascular engine of the ancient world. But we aren't talking about the bulb. We are talking about the green shoots. When a garlic clove sprouts in water, it produces green stalks that are intensely rich in ajoen and allicin. These compounds are natural vasodilators. They enter your bloodstream and actively dissolve the hardened, calcified plaque lining your arterial walls, violently pulling down your blood pressure. Modern cardiology answers high blood pressure with statins. These synthetic drugs artificially force your cholesterol down, but in the process, they utterly destroy the CoQ10 reserves in your heart muscle, leading to severe muscle wasting, chronic fatigue, and liver damage. The protocol: take a single unpeeled garlic clove, place it point side up in a tiny, shallow dish with just enough water to cover the bottom of the clove. In a few days, a bright green shoot will emerge. When it is 4 inches tall, snip it off with scissors, dice it, and eat it raw. It is pure, bioavailable arterial medicine. Number 10. Sweet basil. In 1 Kings 10, the Queen of Sheba brings King Solomon massive quantities of spices and herbs. The name basil literally translates from the ancient Greek word basileus, meaning king. It was the royal herb. Today, pharmaceutical companies are terrified of this plant. Living basil contains 2 incredibly rare water-soluble flavonoids, orientin and vicinin. Clinical studies have proven that these 2 specific compounds wrap around your white blood cells and physically protect your DNA structure from radiation damage and extreme oxidative stress. They are biological bodyguards for your genetic code, halting cellular mutation before it can form into tumors. The medical establishment cannot patent a basil leaf, so they ignore it. They wait until your DNA mutates, and then they offer you synthetic, radioactive chemotherapy that destroys every healthy cell in your body alongside the sick ones. The protocol: cut a fresh basil stem right below a leaf node. Place it in a sunlit jar of water. Within a week, a massive root system will form. Eat 2 raw leaves daily to flood your bloodstream with DNA-protecting flavonoids. But hear me clearly. You now hold the knowledge to build a living, scriptural apothecary on your windowsill. You are no longer dependent on their poisoned dirt. But none of it will work if you grow these plants in the wrong water. If you take a fresh cutting of basil or rosemary and place it in standard municipal tap water, you are slowly killing it. Modern tap water is heavily contaminated with fluoride and atrazine. Fluoride is a neurotoxin. Atrazine is a synthetic chemical herbicide that is entirely resistant to standard water treatment plants. When you put your medicinal herbs in this water, the plant absorbs the chemicals directly into its cells, and when you eat the leaves, you are eating concentrated, pharmaceutical-grade poison. You are taking God's medicine and corrupting it. But you do not need a $3,000 reverse osmosis system to fix this. There is a specific, ancient, 3-minute natural filtration method that strips heavy metals, fluoride, and synthetic herbicides completely out of your home's tap water, leaving behind pure, living water for your plants and your body. You cannot afford to build your apothecary with poisoned water. Click the video on your screen right now to discover the 3-minute ancient water filtration protocol. Purify your water, protect your cells. Click the video on your screen right now, and I will see you there.